Game Talk Flashback. So today we're gonna share about our gaming days and what do they talk about.
Yes. So, my name is Steve, and this is my friend Farrell, and both of us likes to play video games since we were kids.
Yeah. So today we will gonna share about our gaming days and our memories about gaming since we were kids.
So let's go jump right in.
Yeah. So first of all, let's talk about how games have changed since we were kids.
Yes.
So Steve, do you remember our first games that we have ever played together?
Of course, it was Valorant, right? And we played it since we were in the 10th grade, maybe. And usually we play it on the weekend, on the holiday, maybe when we were free. We would usually play together, right? With our friends like Daryl, Enzo, and Reinhard.
Yeah, I remember exactly that our first game we have ever played together is Valorant.
Yeah, that is our first FPS game
Yeah.
since we met together.
So FPS is like a first-person shooter games
Yes.
where you bang bang.
But very, yeah, you shoot everyone. Like,
Yeah.
for example, it's like Valorant, CS:GO, and Point Blank.
Bang bang. So yeah, I remember exactly that I asked him for the first time to play Valorant is since we were in 10th grade. Yeah.
Yes, that's right.
I asked him to play Valorant in the
Gaming cafe.
gaming cafe. It's next to our school, and we've
Yeah.
played together with our friends, our classmates like Daryl, Firia, and it was such a fun
Yeah,
memories.
it's very fun. Like it was when we were after we go to school and we were stressed about the
Yeah,
material, so we usually played Valorant when we were done our school.
true. We've usually play the games after we've done some tasks, school, or in exam
or
days.
exam tests, and
After
like that.
exam days. So Steve, have you ever played games with a controller?
No, I very rarely play with that. How about you? Have you ever played with the controller?
I used to play a lot of games using controller.
And
So
what is the difference?
I'm gonna tell you, the difference is it's more comfortable
I
since
see.
it's designed to play games.
Uh-huh.
It's easier than playing games with keyboard because you can use your exact
Oh, the
10
the
fingers.
button.
Yeah, the buttons.
I see.
When you usually move in keyboard using a button in controller, there's only a small button.
Oh, it's more specific.
Yeah, it's more specific to play games and it's just so comfortable to play.
I see.
So what do you think about the difference between 2D games and the 3D games?
For me, it's very different. For the graphic,
Oh yeah.
the 2D graphic is very basic and like
It's
you
more
know-
like pixelated.
yeah, it's pixelated. It's like a Pac-Man, you know.
Yeah,
That's a
Pac-Man.
2D games, and Nokia Snake, you know.
Mm.
It's the 2D game. Also.
Tetris.
Yes.
Maybe I can say Growtopia.
Yeah, it's semi 2D, I think. Yeah. And for the 3D graphic, it's very smooth and it was very realistic, just like a movie. And for example, it's like Valorant, like CS:GO,
Mm.
and also like PUBG Mobile and Mobile Legends. It's
Yeah.
very realistic for me.
I agree that the 3D games nowadays is visually amazing.
Yeah, it's difference between the 2D games, the 3D game. It's for the graphics more good.
It's really good.
Farel,
Yes.
do you think if we play the games since we were kids had affected us right now in the future?
Definitely it is. I learned a lot of new things from playing video games since I was a kid. Steve,
Yes.
what do you think about the video games could manage your stress level during your bad days maybe?
Okay, this is very me because when I go from school, when I have stress from the exam or the others in school, when I go home, usually I play video games so my brain can relax a little bit. And for me, video games is very, very useful for relieve my stress from the school or from the others. Just like that.
Me too as well. Playing games it really does help to relieve or to reduce my stress level. Back in the day when I have a lot of exam in school,
I see.
after that I go home
Yeah.
and I play video games. It really relieve my
That
stress
makes
level.
your stress stressful. It's
Yes.
also the relief.
I feel like I'm taken to adventure by playing video games.
Yes.
It really does help me
It's
a lot.
very calm.
Yes,
It
it's
makes
calm.
your brain so relieve the stress
Yes.
out of the brain. Yeah.
True.
And how about, do you have friends from video games, like online games? If that friend becomes a couple, it become
A friend, yes.
of yours right now.
I get it. Yes, I have met a lot of people from video games, and it come from the other country as well.
Oh, where did he come from?
Okay, so back in the days long ago when I'm still active playing games,
Yes.
I used to meet a lot of new people from video games. Some even be my real friends as well. So the story is back in the day long ago when I play video games online, especially. I
What
met-
kind of game? Like an FPS or?
I was playing Counter Strike a lot.
I see.
Yes. I met a lot of new people that come from different country. We've getting close to each other, playing along together for a long time, and getting know each other from social media. And yes, some becomes my real friends as well.
I see.
Okay, next let's talk about the moment that we have in playing video games.
I remember that.
Steve, have you ever had a memorable experience by playing video games?
Of course. I'm very remember when I reached Radiant, which is the highest rank on Valorant,
Ooh,
and it was very difficult
why? Why it was difficult?
because when I was play that game, it was my rank is just very low.
Very low tier.
Yes, and it takes me a month for reach that highest rank, which is Radiant, the top one tier in Valorant, and I have a difficult.
Difficult time.
Yes, when I was in the Diamond, which is the fourth highest rank in Valorant,
Oh, I remember.
I'm stuck like weeks, and I keep losing until for weeks, and until I
You finally reached the Radiant, right?
yeah, but it's take a month, but I have to stuck in the Diamond first until I finally reach the Radiant, which is the highest rank in Valorant. I think it takes 4 months from Diamond until Radiant, so it's very difficult for me.
I can tell it's difficult because I have felt it as well.
Yeah, I know that.
The moment that you stuck in such a rank
Yeah.
for almost a
A
month,
week, a month.
for a long time,
Yes.
that your career is lose win.
Yeah, it's just keep losing
Yeah.
and never win.
Just
Yeah,
stuck
felt
in that rank. It's so difficult and
Yes.
sucks.
Yes, it's
Really.
very very stressful.
Mm. Have you ever get stay up late by playing video games?
Of course, yeah. When I have reached the Radiant, it's very very um,
Is it hard? Like
yeah,
the
it's very
enemy,
hard. I have to stay
the
up
opponent?
late until I don't know, maybe like I start at 7 p.m. until 7 a.m. I have tried that and that is very very uh, unrecommendation because yeah, it's very very unhealthy for you.
Yeah,
and,
yeah,
yeah,
really.
it's and stressful also when you play that game. So yeah, that's for me. And how about you?
Me too as well. I felt the same when we play a lot of video games, especially when we get fun.
Yeah, it's yeah.
Sometimes we don't recognize the
Yeah,
time.
we forget about the time, and
Yes, we
we
forget
just
the
we
time.
just play.
Just play.
Yeah, we don't remember what time is it? Like I said, yeah.
Yes. I get stay up late, especially when it comes to pandemic.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
very very. Everybody just stay up late and just play game on
Yeah.
pandemic. Yeah, yeah, it's me too. Like that's very unhealthy, man.
Like my daily activities is just playing games, eat, wake up,
Yes.
online school and playing games, and
Yeah.
my sleep schedule is also
Yeah, it's very. Yeah, it's very very.
it's very difficult, but we've managed to
Return
get-
that
yeah.
we can not stay up late and playing game and stay up late on, just for like holidays on weekend we play
Yeah.
Valorant and like in the 4 a.m.
Yes.
4 p.m. like that.
just to get back or relive the moment that we have
Yeah.
had before.
Yeah, it's not like the old one like we play for like 12 hours 10 hours like that's very crazy like
It's really messed up
yeah it's very
that
very
time.
Farel.
Yeah, man.
Game is very good be played by friends, right?
Right, definitely it is. We used to play a lot of match playing together.
Oh, it's very.
Do you remember the moment that when we play Valorant, we play with our friend Joshua?
That is memorable.
Yes,
so memorable.
yes. Do you remember when we play and he just keep losing and keep making us mad? Like, how can people be so noob?
Yeah, I remember that. And Joshua is just like blaming his mouse. He says it like I remember he says like, "Hey, my mouse is died, my battery is run out." But I remember that his mouse is wire, not wireless.
Yes,
So-
the gear is fine.
yeah,
It's just his skill
yeah, his
issue,
skills
man.
he doesn't have any skills
Yes,
to play that
bro.
game. I don't know why he's played that game.
I don't know.
But that is just our jokes.
Yeah.
That's not a bully, just jokes. Because he's so annoying because he just keep blaming his gear because I don't know, his gear is very very OP right now. Like I don't have that gear because it's so
Me
expensive.
too as well.
Yeah, it's 5 times more expensive than mine. I just got this and he's got the 5 times more expensive than this.
And
Like,
yet still
oh my god, he just keep blaming
he always keep blaming the gear, the
Yes.
headset, the mouse
Yes.
when it comes
Oh.
when he's dying in
Yeah.
video game.
It keeps blaming his gear. I don't know why. Why? I mean, like, why doesn't he say just I'm noob? Like I cannot play with.
Just
Why has-
admit it.
Yeah. Why have to lie to just blaming his gear?
Gear.
Like, yeah.
Yeah.
I just want to punch him.
Joking. Okay.
Joking,
Disclaimer:
guys.
Joshua is our
Oh, yeah, so our
very
friend.
best friend in
He's
real
our
life.
best friend.
But
and
when it comes to video games, he just really annoying.
Very annoying.
Yeah.
I want to kick him out of the game, and you know. Yeah.
But even if he's clearly annoying at video games, right?
Yeah.
But he always success to make us laugh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
it just make our stressful in that game is a little bit relief. Yeah.
Yeah, he's a very funny person in
Yeah.
real life, but yeah, I don't know. He's just annoying in video games,
Yeah, because he's
and we
yeah.
keep losing by him because of
Because
him.
of him.
Yes.
Because he's so noob, so we keep losing, and I never reach to Radiant again. So.
Joshua, if you watch this video, please
Yeah.
comment in this comment section below.
Yeah.
It's true, right? It's
yeah,
true.
it's true.
We're speaking the fact.
Yeah, and you
Yeah.
just knew. Remember that.
Joking, guys. Guys, that's our show for today. Thank you for joining our gaming talk. And don't forget to
Share your gaming memories down below in the comment. So I'm Steve, and
I'm Farrell.
game over for now. Bye bye.
See you in the next video.